Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're out driving our GMC Jimmy, and I just noticed now this was probably a Canadian truck at one time. As you can see, the kilometers are on top and the miles per hour are in blue, so probably was Canadian or had a Canadian speedometer put in it at one time. Sure goes down the road nice. Tight cab, power windows work really well. I forgot to try the rear window in my video, but we always try to make sure they work. Got some spare that's with it. Nice and solid there on the bump. Heat gauge coming up. Doesn't really wander down the road. That's a nice thing about these not being lifted or oversized tires. They're a lot nicer driving and riding, that's for sure. I also have an 84 Blazer that has a big tires and wheels and big lift, and you'll see, if you want to watch that video, you'll probably see the difference. But yeah, this is just a nice Jimmy, not a perfect one you probably take the top off, don't got to do anything to it, and just drive it the way it is, and it'll look good. And then someday if you want to turn it into a show truck or high dollar Barrett Jackson one, you can. So, but perfect one to get started with and have a little fun with in a little lower price range. Brakes work good. We'll turn around here and go through the transmission shift points. Power steering works good. This is a big bump.